All right, Jeff from RV Diagnostics. All right, so it's September the 19th, Wednesday. Who knows? Anyway. Well, folks, there it is. I got that up. All right, it's all in now. All right, got connectors. Okay, the only thing I found I got to do, had a little problem with the wiring, so I'm gonna cut a piece of angle right here, wood. Brad gun it in and then put a cover on it to make it look nice, but that's not a big priority right now. It was fun putting all this stuff back in there. Some of it's dirty, but I think Laura will take care of that. Now here's the fun part. I did all this. I got this gluing. Remember I was telling you it came undone, so it's gluing right now. I got the clamps on it, right? And then aluminum will go there. That strip of aluminum there, and then there's one down there. But my pride and joy is that bad boy. Look at that. I put that green back there. That looked nice, man. Alright, that's my puppy out there barking. But there, folks. Alright, this has been a long procedure. Now I put what do you call it, backsplash on there. There's my green tile right there from Italy. My wife ordered that, of course. Wait 4 weeks for that to come in. Anyway, then one day we're gonna put the tub in, and that's from a couple that came from California. They took their tub out, put a shower in. They did a real good job. I met them over there. I made a video on that. They all the way from California. They had a Corvette in their trailer. They put it all inside. He brought the glass, everything, trim, every damn thing. Fittings, plumbing. Heck, I'm surprised the tub wasn't full of water. Anyway, that's my next project. I'm going to put the green backsplash up in here to make it look nice. Finally, the mirror fell out after 25 years. Right? And then eventually the tub will go in here, and I'm going to custom make some, what's that stuff? Corian. Right? I'm going to try to get it with the green stripes in. If not, you know. Anyway, folks, thank you very much for putting up with this. We still got the outer seal to do. We did the inner and inner wiper. Let me see if we can see it here. There you go. See, the blue marks is where, the red is where the rivets hold the black wiper on. Yeah, that's all new. That was all tore up. Brand new stuff. From Gasket, S-T-E-E-L-E Gaskets. Good stuff, man. It ain't cheap, folks. Alright. Then again, why are you putting cheap stuff on your RV? Just so you can fix it in 2 years, 3 years? Alright, so, believe it or not, I had this felt from another job I did. I don't know, 10 years ago or something. So, that came in, I'm sitting, man, I got some, bing, you know how you forget stuff like from 10, 15 years ago? And you're laying down on the floors and your toes are curled up because you're having Charlie horse in your leg or something, and that idea comes to you, well, I got some green felt somewhere. Right there, beautiful. Turned out really nice. Alright, so these doors, my wife wants to clean them up and wash them. I told her don't do it yet. Right, she's going to use that Murphy oil to do all the tile now, the grout and all, so you know that's kind of dusty. Alright, so unfortunately I didn't order those yet because they're 10 to 12 weeks out to custom theater seating, but I will make this eventually, like probably in December. So it's what, September now? But we're going to rally in Norfolk, Virginia. I'm there from October the 1st to the 9th, I think, 2024. So if you got a beaver and you want to come, or you just want to come down there and see me, Jeff from RV Diagnostics, playing around, I'm really not going to do no work. I mean, I'm sure they're going to ask me a couple questions, but I'm not working. All right. Thank you very much, Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Here we go. Original beaver rug, right? Look at that. She is coming along. Yes, sir. She's getting there. All right. Thank you very much, folks. Thank you for the thumbs up. Damn, I want my knee. Just thank you very much. Thank everybody. All right. See you on my Facebook page. Don't forget about my YouTube channel. Don't forget about the mini campground I have here. You can get your RV, especially if you're full-time, you ain't got no place to go. You can stop in here, get your RV repaired, help me repair it, save you hundreds, a couple dollars. All right, it'll save you money, plus you'll learn. And you get to stay over a couple nights or whatever. I don't want to live in here for a month because I got people coming in and out. So don't forget, 22480 Bloxham School Road, Seaford, Delaware, 19973. Email me, Jeff at rvdiagnostics.com for an appointment. Or you can call me on Facebook Messenger phone. I don't give out my personal phone number. If you want that, you have to join my website. For right now, it's $170 a year. I help you troubleshoot all kinds of stuff. Engine, trans, AC dash, AC roof, AC basement. I don't care what it is. If it's from the bottom of the tire to the top of the RV, from the front bumper deck back to the back bumper, even your toad. All right. Once again, thank you very much, everybody out there. Thank you, thank you, thank you.